morning everybody, it's Roxana here with Khatambakhsh real estate team, and I'm standing in front of this beautiful home, our latest listing at 6039 Castlegrove Court here in Mississauga in Lisgar area. As you can see, it's a corner unit, beautiful, huge front yard, completely private backyard. It is classified as a townhome. It's a freehold, by the way, so no maintenance fees whatsoever. It is classified as townhouse, but in reality, it's like a detached home because the only place that this home is attached to the next door neighbor is through the garage. Everything else is disconnected. So it's a beautiful 3-bedroom, large bedrooms, 2 walk-in closets. Basement is completely finished with a separate bedroom and a full bathroom. You are looking for a beautiful home in Mississauga with very fast closing, give us a call 647-848-2652 and we can arrange for a private showing for you and provide all the details that you need. Have a great day and see you soon.